Hello Goinkans, I hope everybody is fine. Dear kids, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 2 and we will learn how to draw a line segment of a particular length using a scale. So this is exercise 2 on page number 155 of your book and the question is draw the line segments of the following lengths. Part A is 7 is to 1 by 2. All of you know 1 by 2 means half. That is 0.5. So you can write 7 is to 1 by 2 as 7.5 as well. Now that means we have to draw a line segment of length 7.5 centimeters. For that we have to follow certain steps. Step number 1 is mark a point on a sheet of paper. So we mark a point here, say it's A, and then keep the scale on the paper such that its zero mark is on the point. We'll place the scale in such a way that the zero mark of the scale is just adjacent to the point. Then we mark another point at 7.5. We know 7.5 means the division between 7 and 8 of the scale. There are certain divisions in between the numbers and the middle one is a bit longer than the other smaller divisions and this is 7.5. There we will mark another point and then we will join the 2 points. Removing the scale, we will get a line segment of the required length. Similarly, other parts can be done. Here one more part is 4 is to 1 by 2, that means 4.5. Again, first point is drawn on the sheet of paper, then a scale is put on it such that the zero mark of the scale is on the point and then another point will be marked at 4.5. That means a division between 4 and 5, midway between 4 and 5, the longer one. So this is 4.5 and then we'll join the 2 points and removing the scale we'll see a line segment is drawn of the given length 4.5 centimeters. We can also name such line segments with the in alphabetical letters like A, B, P, Q, Y, Z, etc. depending upon our choice. This was all from this video. Other parts can be done in the same way. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.